Alright, it's time to have some Hanoi breakfast. Let's try it out. It's supposed to be really famous. Meatball soup. Let's watch him make it. Yeah. Alright, and Auntie's gonna come over here. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Look good. Come on. We're gonna try this out. Meatballs and snail soup. Let's see what it tastes like. Salty, little bit of vinegar flavor, and like an oyster flavor. And then let's try one of the snails. I've never had a big snail like that before. I'll take a look. It looks different. Hard and good. Completely different than oyster. But actually good, really good. It works good with that salty soup. Put it up and try it out. See y'all later. Next one.